Hello guys, this video is about shading part of previous video. Use 8B pencil for the eyeball and 6B and HB pencil for shading the eye. This video is speeded up. Do the shading patiently and take your own time. Here I am using cotton for blending. You can use a blending stump, earbud or a paintbrush for blending. I have used 6B and 8B pencil for shading the helmet. Shade lightly in the lighter areas. I have used 2B pencil for shading the nose and 8B for the nostrils. After blending, darken the areas where required. Use 2B and 4B pencil for the lips and eraser for the highlights. Use 8B pencil for shading the lower part.